Bitcoin broke 22,000 US dollars right here, and we saw a further drop in the Bitcoin price. Guys, which level is Bitcoin testing as of now? And what can we expect with Bitcoin? Can we expect a nice bounce from here, or are we still going to see lower levels? Guys, that is going to be the topic of today's video. Before we are jumping into the Bitcoin price action, make sure to smash up that like button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. And guys, I want to share two tweets over on Will Portal. If we have a look at this chart right here, when Bitcoin was still trading in the structure, recently we got a very nice buy signal, which showed us that Bitcoin eventually had a nice bounce within this chart. But also yesterday, guys, I've been sharing over on Will Portal that it's really time to be cautious because we got a positive funding. We had short-term selling pressure due to the take-a-buy-sell ratio. Bitcoin was struggling with the 50 daily moving average, and on momentum indicators we have been seeing hidden bearish divergences, which I will show you in a second. But I thought I wanted to share it with you. That was actually right before we broke down, before we broke to 22,000 US dollars and saw that further drop. So yeah, it can be very interesting if you follow Will Portal and follow me also over on Twitter, as well, as you will get more direct information which has direct impact on the price. Guys, when we have a look at the drop of Bitcoin, and from the moment we lost the support right here, we dropped approximately 4 to 5%. Right now we are seeing a small bounce. Why are we seeing a bounce around these levels? Well, of course, this is the Fibonacci golden ratio, roughly. We can see that we came down to the 61.80% at 20,800, 20,900. And so far from this level, we are seeing a bounce. Also, if we were to make a horizontal zone out of this, we can see that this level has been acting as resistance, as support in the past. Right here as well, the moment we broke it, we saw a nice push. Here we lost it, retest, and we saw a further continuation to the downside right here as well. So this is already price-wise also showing some significance. And of course, because it is the 61.80%, it is also very significant and would make sense to see at least a small bounce right here. However, guys, Bitcoin is definitely not showing too much bullish price action right now. But guys, because Bitcoin broke back into this sideways range and lost 22,000 US dollars, I would be very, very cautious and not all too bullish. Because also when we have a look at the daily time frame, I've been talking about that in yesterday's video. And let me bring out the 50 daily moving average. That is quite an important moving average for the daily time frame. Right now we are trading back below this level. So right here we broke above it. Was actually quite a bullish sign. As long as we are holding above it, we still could see a bounce from this level. As of now, we haven't seen that. We actually broke it to the downside, and we are trading back into this sideways range, which is starting roughly at 22k, going all the way down right here to roughly 18.6k. I think that is a very significant level in Bitcoin. So yeah, that is of course bearish. As long as we are trading back into this sideways range, Bitcoin's price could also come down to the lower part of the range. We even could break out to the downside and continue this downtrend. That is at least a scenario we significantly have to take into consideration due to the fact of the evidence that we are seeing right now. A nice sideways consolidation range could be an accumulation zone, breaking out to the upside, eventually see a failed breakout back into that zone. That is not all too bullish, so that is something we just want to take in consideration. Of course, Bitcoin has already seen quite a hell of a correction. We corrected roughly, let me check it from the top till the bottom, from the highs right here till the lows. We have already seen a correction of 75%. So that would make it valid, guys, that this could be around the bottom, of course. However, do take in mind that Bitcoin can always go lower than you expect, and we always can see something like a fake out where a lot of people are getting trapped, and then we are seeing a turnaround. So that are just scenarios you want to take into consideration. Right now, short-term price action is just not looking all too bullish when Bitcoin broke back into this channel. So guys, the most important level above us is going to be 22,000 US dollars. If we can reclaim 22,000 US dollars, we can become slightly more bullish again. And of course, the level to the downside is going to be 20,800. If we are going to lose 20,800, then yeah, most likely we will see a further drop with a high likelihood going to the lows of the range and maybe even touching 19 to 18.6k. And when we have a quick look at Whale Portal, we can see that the buying pressure slightly is increasing short term. We can see that the funding rates are negative, Bitcoin collateral contracts, and on USDT contracts it's still positive. We can see that the buying pressure also right here is going slightly up, but this is of course shorter term time frame. The longer term time frame we just zoomed out, we are trading below the 50 daily moving average, back into this range. That is definitely very important, but in the shorter term time frame on a hour chart, we see the buying pressure increase, so we could see a bounce right here, of course. But do take in mind that on the bigger time frames right now, things are looking slightly more bearish. If we want to become bullish, we first have to reclaim 22,000 US dollars. Guys, if you haven't done so already, make sure to scroll below this video, smash up that like button. Let's check if we can get over 100 likes on today's video, especially because I've been warning you in yesterday's video as well of a potential further drop in the Bitcoin price. If you'll appreciate that, make sure to smash up that like button. Then guys, for all the traders that are interested in trading Bitcoin, I'm recommending 3 exchanges down below this video. If you sign up on these exchanges using my specific affiliate link, you will get an additional bonus. On Bybit, which I think is the best exchange, you can get a bonus of 4,500 US dollars and you will get a discount on your fees. On the Femix platform, you can get a 1,200 US dollar bonus, and on Prime XBT, where you can trade also regular financial markets, oil and so on, you can get an additional bonus of 7,000 US dollars. And yeah, these bonuses are all for subscribers of the blockchain today when using this affiliate link. Then of course guys, below this video you can as well find links to the Whale Portal website, to my cryptocurrency trading, but also of course to the Whale Portal Twitter and my own Twitter, which is very important to follow to stay up to date for short-term price action. But okay guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed today's update. I want to wish all of you an awesome day today, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.